case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
A 2003 U.S. Court of Appeals case, Oseo v. Welch, centered around the issue of employers being responsible for their employees' actions occurring within the scope of their employment. The appellant filed a claim against Defendant Welch, an Oseo employee, for negligence after a car accident caused by Welch, who was driving to deliver football tickets to the Oseo district office. During his trip, Welch decided to stop at a service station for routine maintenance when he failed to yield and hit the appellant's car. The district court granted Oseo's motion for summary judgment, arguing that Welch was not acting within the scope of his employment when he stopped at the service station. After the case concluded, a bench trial was held, and the court entered a judgment of $1,014,503.70. On appeal, the court held that Mr. Welch's attempt to stop at the service station was outside of his employment scope and remanded the case for trial. If found liable by a jury, appellee may contest damages, as they were not part of the damages hearing.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.